Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this keyboard not operating properly or not working right, or if it seems to be stuck in demo mode and you're trying to get it to exit out of demo mode, this will do that, and this hard reset will fix this. The second reason is if you're setting this up on a new computer or something like that, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, it's really easy to do. All we need to do is, first of all, we're just going to unplug the keyboard, and then after we unplug the keyboard, we're going to come in here and we're going to press and hold the escape key and the M5 key simultaneously. And while doing that, we're going to just go ahead, continue to hold this, and go ahead and plug the keyboard back in. Wait a few seconds and then release these two keys, and that will cause the keyboard to reset into its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up again like a new keyboard. Super thanks for watching.